Hey YouTubers, I am filming a vlog. I am at my brother's house, and we're going to have thunderstorms, and the grass is... Oh, did you just hear that? You hear that? That's thunder rumbling in the distance. I'm safe. I was going to say, before it started thundering, the grass is saturated, very highly saturated. It's now easy to flood. I will show you. And there are the dogs I take care of every single day. And this is my first vlog. I'm using my iPhone 7. It's got a 12 megapixel camera. And I usually do how-to videos, but I want to mix it up and do some... You hear that? And now, I'll do more vlogging videos. Right over in that general direction, it's good. But right over in this direction, you'll have more clouds. And then off in this direction, you're going to have the same amount of coverage of storm clouds, and they're rising right now. Yeah, it's getting very dark right in the south, southeast, southwest area right now. And there's my neighbor. Now I'll give Chris Peters a shout out, and his oldest daughter, Riley Peters, a shout out. I sent her my link to my YouTube channel last night. And yeah, it's going to be very wet and soggy tonight. We're going to have thunderstorms, temperatures down to 75 degrees, and we're going to expect a whole lot of thunderstorms. And I don't know if you can see that well. Yeah, the clouds are boiling. Yeah, we're going to have bad weather all week and next week down here in Santa Fe, Texas. And if you're just new to my channel, leave a comment down below and I will welcome you. And I welcome you to the part of the family. And make sure you click the notification bell and turn on post notifications. Either you'll get a notification on your iPhone or in your inbox on your YouTube app. I think the thunder is coming from the north. And I think that Thunderstorm is probably 3, maybe 5 or 10 miles away. Depending on how loud the thunder is rumbling, you count to 5 seconds. So I could tell that Thunderstorm was probably about 10 miles away, but it's coming this general direction. Alright, YouTubers, spread the word about my YouTube channel and give the video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, do what you gotta do, spread the word, and tell everyone to subscribe. Be who you are. Don't let no one judge you for who you are. Be yourself. Keep your arms and heart open. God loves you. I love you with all my heart. And check on your friends and family. And love thy neighbor. And thank you, and God bless.